in the Hole opened in 1972, and it operated for 51 years. Today is December 30th, 2023, and it's the last day of Fire in the Hole forever.
Check it out, Robbie. Before the ride opens. Beware of the ball knobbers. They'll stop at nothing to burn down the town. What do you think they're doing?
What did you see?
I didn't see anything. They were doing something to one of the trains. They were, I don't know what. What do you think is in the buckets? They're empty. Robbie, have we ever gotten this close with nobody here?
Nope.